This video will outline the workflow process of recording vocal sessions with your phone's microphone. With advancements in technology, today's phones come inbuilt with a microphone sufficient to record vocals with. Additionally, the form factor and compute power of smartphones makes it a viable, convenient alternative to the cumbersome microphone interface laptop/desktop setup. In order to record vocals with your phone, you need to prepare prior to recording sessions. In order to prepare, you first need to segment the song into sections. For instance, intro, verse, chorus, and add a count and/or metronome if necessary. Here is an example from my song Useless Friend with a count-in and metronome. The next step is to record your vocal sessions. To record your vocal sessions, you need two devices, one to play the backing track and your phone to record your vocals. In my case, I will play the backing track on my desktop and listen through earphones while recording my singing on my phone. In effect, I have to coordinate between pressing play on my desktop and pressing record on my phone. Note, it doesn't matter what recording app you use as long as the audio output file format is compatible with your DAW. Here is an example of a recording taken on my phone. Record each segment one at a time. Repeat if you make mistakes. Move on quickly to ensure you maintain the same level of performances across each song section. Place the audio file's vocal takes into a folder and label the folder Recording Session 1. Then at a later time or date, when you have recouped your voice, record another session with folder labeled Recording Session 2 and so on. The way I do recording sessions is, I have an app called DriveSync which automatically uploads the audio files to my Google Drive, where I then download them to my desktop and then organize them into recording session folders. After you've completed your recording sessions, you can then comp the vocal takes. If you'd like to know my process for vocal comping, please check the description for a link to my video, Vocal Comping Workflow.